my name is Michelle, and today I'm going to be taking us on how to install WordPress without our site redirecting to domain name /WP. What I mean is sometimes we install WordPress on our site and then we notice that for us to access our site, we have to go through domain name /WP. Basically, today's video is centered around how to prevent this from happening. To achieve this, I'm going to be logging into my cPanel right there. So the URL is domain name /cPanel. So I'm just going to go ahead and input my username, and then next up I'm going to go ahead and input my password. So I'm going to input my password right there, and I'm logging into my cPanel. The app we'll be using today to make our WordPress installation is called Softaculous App Installer. So we could just go to our search engine right up there and type Softaculous. Our intelligent search brings out some options. This is what we need here: Softaculous App Installer. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it in a new tab. What Softaculous does for us basically is it makes installing scripts way easier for us. Like, you just have to come to Softaculous and the scripts are there. So we're working with WordPress today, and I'm going to go ahead and click on install. Brings me to this page. So you could select the version of WordPress you want. Basically, I'm going to be working with the highest version of WordPress. So I'm going to select this right here. Now, it also permits you to choose the domain name you want to install WordPress on. How it works is, if you want to install WordPress on an add-on, first you have to have added that domain name in your cPanel as an add-on. For today's lesson, I'm going to be installing this WordPress on the domain name wghdemo.com.ng. Now remember that the point of our lesson is how to prevent our site from redirecting to domain name /WP. You see this right here, it's called the in directory. So if I leave this option here, WP, it means that when users want to visit my site, they have to access it as wghdemo.com.ng/WP. Now, I don't want that happening. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and then I'm going to remove WP. So what I've done there is, users can access my site directly without having to type /WP. Okay, so after that, it's important that I define my site name. So I want my site name to be left as my blog. I'm going to go ahead and leave that there. Site description, my WordPress blog, I'm going to leave that there. And my admin username. Basically, this section right here, what it does is it defines the information you'll be using to visit your WordPress backend. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to leave my admin username as admin. I'm going to select a password right there. It's advisable you have a strong password, or always, please. And admin email. I would like you to take note of this, because in a case where you forget your password and you'd like to reset your password, basically WordPress has a forgot password system where click on forgot password and then a link is sent to the email address you filled in while you are setting up your WordPress. So it's important you use an email address you have access to while setting up your WordPress. So I already have this created. I'm going to leave it there as admin as my domain name. Next up, I'm going to be selecting the language. I'll leave that as English. Next up, I'm just going to go ahead, scroll down and click on install. It's going to take a couple of seconds to install. A couple of seconds from now, any moment now. Okay, the installation is done. And right here it says congratulations, the software was installed successfully, and it gives you your site URL, also gives you your administrative URL, which is your domain name /wp-admin. So let's find out how successful our installation was. We're going to be visiting our website wghdemo.com.ng. Alright, let's see. And we're able to access our site without having to redirect to /wp. Let's see how successful it was once again by trying to access our back end, which is going to be wghdemo.com.ng /wp-admin. Alright, once again, we're sure that it was successful. Could also confirm this by, let's go back to our cPanel. In our file manager, we're going to notice that our files went directly under our public_HTML and not into a folder named WP. So right here we have our WordPress file directly under our public_HTML. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found this helpful. See you next time. Bye.